It's a Wednesday, and we just woke up. It's like 7:15. I just turned on the TV for Olive, as we do in the morning, and she's...
Take a picture to a TV.
What?
Take a picture to a TV.
Take a picture of the TV? Okay, she wants you to see that we're trying a new movie. This is called Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs 2. Good morning. Ooh, this light that comes in from the store in the kitchen is kind of nice. Let's see, where can I prop my phone up? I haven't moved my tripod over here yet. All right. Our routine is for me, bring Olive her first breakfast if I don't feed her. Something first thing in the morning. She gets super cranky, so I do these little muffins. And to make it fun, I break up the muffin and I put it in this little green cup. Now, it'll be interesting to see if when I give her this, she's happy or if she wants it in the purple cup. So we'll see about that. And then also because it's not that easy to find good drip coffee here in Bali, I make these little sachets because I just like need a quick hit in the morning, and it's good. And I usually go out somewhere, well, not today I'm not, but a lot of times I go out and get coffee later in the morning. So it's just like powdered coffee, and then I'll pour the hot water in when it's ready. Here you go. I open the windows. Oh, it's not raining, Olive. What did you say? Okay. Here you go. Can you put it in there yourself? Thank you. Let's not get the crumbs in the bed. Thank you. All right, every morning we have to load up Olive, and I do it at the same time because it makes it easier. Sunscreen and bug oil. So since I took off her pajamas, sometimes there's mosquitoes in the house, so always as soon as I take off her pajama pants, I go ahead and load it up first thing.
I know I just get the ice cream.
You're gonna get ice cream?
No, it's not raining, get ice cream now.
If it's not raining, you can get ice cream? Yeah, later if it's not raining, you can go get ice cream with Daddy.
Oh, goody, goody.
Yeah!
I know excited to see ice cream.
You are?
Oh my goodness! Let's start it all over. Aww.
So cute. All right, I just asked Olive if she wanted eggs or smoothie for breakfast. She already had her muffin. She said smoothie. So just show you what I make in my smoothie every day. We do fresh dragon fruit. Mix everything purple. Everything. Half a banana. I'm making Olive some applesauce, homemade like banana applesauce pouches today because we don't have those here. So I'll use the second half of the banana for that. Fresh frozen strawberry, like or fresh frozen watermelon. Like I get a whole watermelon and then freeze a bunch of it because we can't eat the whole watermelon before it goes bad. Yogurt. Orange juice. And Josie should be getting here any minute to play with Olive and then take her out for the morning. So, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Like this? Watch it.
Read it upside down.
Don't read upside
Yes,
down.
for her upside down.
Oh, yes. We do it on the paper, not on your legs, silly.
No. I can't do it on my legs.
Which is Santa.
You girls.
Wait, wait. Let me do this one first. Like this? Like this? No.
Girls.
Maybe like this? Like this? Oh, yay, yay.
I am making applesauce.
Say not like this.
Just yet, Olive. Make a fort.
Not like this. Not like that.
Applesauce.
I'm making it so that it's gonna be ready for later.
Sorry.
All right. Come here.
Just be here.
Hop. Skip. Jump into it.
Hop, skip, jump into it.
Let's go.
Let's go. LOL, it's only 9:15 and this video is already super long. So this may end up being a 2-part day in our life, although that's kind of annoying. So I guess if you really care about the whole day, you just watch the whole thing. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna make Olive's applesauce and then I put it in these little things, which I had John's dad bring from the US from Amazon, so that, you know, like make your own pouches. Okay. All right, I am riding my bike to get a manicure and pedicure and foot massage, or maybe just foot massage, maybe both, I don't know. But it's a beautiful day, so luckily I can ride my bike. This is our street. Alright, this is my little spot. It's called Penny Wenny, and it's kind of a little unknown hidden gem. And really cheap. Not always the quickest, but they always do a good job. Alright, a quick little stop into the grocery store because I was going to make pasta salad, and now I'm like second guessing whether or not I have pasta. Alright, this is a local grocery store, so they don't really have any Western things here except for like Pringles that are made in Indonesia. But I got the pasta over here. There's a little chip aisle. This is a drinks aisle. This is Bacardi Sweat, which is like the Gatorade. I'm gonna get one of those because we're running out of our big one. And like juice boxes. And of course Coca-Cola, which I've become addicted to since I've been here. I know it's really bad. Some like canned coffees. Some cold stuff over here. I need to get a cold Bacardi Sweat, and of course Bintangs. Oh, they have big Singaraja today. Oh, they have bottled Singaraja today. Oops, guess I might buy a couple beers while I'm here. Alright, now here is the fresh produce section. What you have to do is you pick out your produce and then you bring it over here and they will like put a sticker on it with the price. I don't think I need any produce today. I'm literally supposed to be just getting like a couple things here, but a lot of you guys have requested looking at what our grocery store looks like, so I just wanted to show you. Alright, I'm also getting feta cheese for my pasta salad. A little bit expensive, 79K. I'm not doing the math right now. But I think ours has gone bad, so. Alright, now time to check out. Okay, so if you know me, you know I don't love swimming. But it's really hot, and I feel like this is like the first day we've had where I got home in time. Olive will get home in like 30 minutes, and I gotta get her lunch ready. Because she comes home and she says, "Mommy, what's for lunch?" But I felt like it's like bright sun. It's a total waste for me not to take a little swim. So, and by a little swim, I mean I'm gonna just jump in and dive in and then swim out and then get out because I just want it to like refresh me. Wow, I literally can't remember the last time I went swimming. Even with Olive, it was like the weather's been so crazy. That even when we went like on vacation, I didn't have to get in with her because my parents and John were there. So, alright. It feels good. This is like literally the third day that we're back into our routine, and it just feels really good. It was really nice to have people visiting over the holidays, but it's just nice to get back to a little bit a sense of normalcy. You know, it sometimes feels like we're just on vacation here in Bali. So it's nice to get back into a routine. Olive and Justia, so basically this is how our days go. Olive and I will wake up, have our morning, have our breakfast. Justia gets here at 8:30, and then they'll play here for a little bit, and then they go play at Kids Cafe, which is like a playground, play area that is also a cafe. They go there, and if it's raining, they'll go to Kids Soho, which is like, you know, indoor soft play. And depending on if I have work or not, I'll usually either do a little bit of work or do like I did this morning and go like get my nails done, because I just have those 3 hours to myself. And then you'll have to stay tuned to see what our afternoons are like. Olive takes a pretty long nap, so maybe like I'll have to film it on a day when we do something a little bit interesting in the evening. But anyway, so for the most part, that is our this is how our mornings go. And then I'll usually do work. If I don't do work in the morning, I'll do work while Olive is taking a nap, so that because that's usually like 2 or 2.5 hours. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us. I'll film a little bit of her eating lunch probably and playing with Justia here in a little bit. But anyway, that's that. What? I can't understand when you have your pacifier in here.
What you made, Mommy?
Oh, we have mac and cheese. Yeah.
I have mac and cheese for you.
Wow.
The mac and cheese.
Wow, smells so good, Mommy. Oh, what's that?
Heavy pocket.
Polly Pocket. Yeah, I gotta find her boots. You wanna sit in that chair or this chair? Okay.
Mommy, Sister, you want to sit next to me in that chair?
Okay, I will come to you.
Wow, Olive. I gotta find Polly Pocket's boots.
Finish all, Mommy. You know when see the watermelon? Oh, just like 1 minute. Go.
Oh, you eat all your watermelon?
Yes. Ooh, I sit here.
Let's sit in
It's really
here.
hot, yeah?
For greatness and it's strange.
I don't need better than me.
Hey Google, play previous song. Alright, go again.